My mom told me I'm not allowed to dye my hair until I get my mental health better.
Dude, I found an Emma. I found an Emma. This random stranger has appeared. She just spawned in. Some hooks. Huh. Code breaker.
Let's see this wall.
Well, this person thought they were going to get smart, but they didn't. Because they didn't even attempt to. Didn't break a single code.
Oh, there's no money in it.
Oh, I think this was a homeless person. What the heck is that thing?
Butter.
Doesn't look like butter. Can you spread it on bread? Worry about enjoying every little thing and experiencing new things and having fun. That's what you need to worry about. Enjoy. Ugh. Alright. Oh, look how slow she is with her little bike. Anyway, that's my daughter Serenity. And her e-bike. It's an Amazon bike. It's not too bad. It's just her first electric bike, so I didn't get her anything too crazy. Yes, come through this way, it's more dry. Oh, look, we got some goodies. We have some goodies here to investigate. There are some drop-offs. You need some headphones?
Yeah.
Oh, and they have a, oops.
My Beats don't really work anymore. They don't, it doesn't show when they turn off or on.
And the charger's built in somehow.
I need new Beats, because mine don't.
I don't know if these things work. It looks like this stuff was left out in the snow.
But my Beats, they don't show when they're on or off, and with dead night, haven't been able to charge for like
I don't know what's going on here. It looks like somebody was trying to have a yard sale, and they forgot to sell. Here's a Calvin Klein bag. Look, Calvin Klein little backpack. Oh, there's a smaller one. Yeah, there's like backpack, pants. I think somebody might be homeless.
right there.
Yeah, it's probably just some homeless person stuff. But this stuff was all covered in snow.
Can you open this because you have to look at it?
I don't know what. I think they're just fabrics.
I saw a bug.
Some books. Huh. Code breaker.
Let's see this wall has a.
Well, this person thought they were going to get smart, but they didn't. Because they didn't even attempt to. Didn't break a single code.
Oh, it has no money in it.
Oh, I think this was a homeless person. I don't think they have money.
Then how the frick they got those bags and I don't?
They probably bought them before they were homeless. Didn't have any room for them, decided to dump them there. They took a big old dumpy right there, that's what they did. Oh, wait a minute.
That's ice.
Well, let's go in that way.
I'm not going down that hill.
Why not? Alright, let's go this way then. Alright. Oh shit. Oh man, my nose itches. My nose. What, the Freon?
That's the Freon. Oh, she already died. Ouch. Are these thorns?
Are they thorns? Some of them. Some of them might just be thorns. The thing is, can you get down all this? It's all flat down here.
Is this where me and Emma went before?
Yeah, here you go. You lead. See if you can go somewhere. See, I want to see if you get lost, or if you can see the trail. You're definitely not on a trail at all. That's off-roading on your e-bike now. Where exactly are you going? You're going to a dead end. I'm going to turn that way. You said, do you know how to carpet? Oh. Oh. You smell like a carpet. Not gonna lie, it's harder for me riding around this slow. He said, what? I broke the branch over there. How do I even pronounce that? Gallison? Gallison.
You're on my body?
Oh no, it's a German name, but it's a Chinese bike. And I'm not a girl.
Oh, my bike isn't dead yet. My bike usually be better.
Well, it's not cold as shit out. It's actually decent weather. I'm not wearing a jacket for the first time in months. Yeah, you go that way and around. I want to see if you get lost again. Follow the trail. Go on. Can you do it? You're going to lose the trail. You already did. At this point, there's definitely not even a trail right here. It's right there. Well, right here, the trail's kind of gone because a bunch of stuff fell in the way. Right there, the trail's kind of gone. Right here it is. A bunch of stuff fell in the way.
Again in my leg and it hurt.
Oh yeah, that happens all the time. Happens to me every day. I always get hit with sticks in the leg. Whoa. Oh. Oh, there's a stick in the way. That's usually not there. It's kind of in the way. Somebody...
Kind of in my way.
What? Yeah. I gotta be careful because there's holes back here sometimes. What is that? Oh, look what I found. That's nice. Yeah, that's nice. I don't know what it is. Looks like a pretty cool furnace though. A little wall.
What's that?
Can you ride up that hill? Why not? Not up that one? Not even that one? It's only like 60 degrees. It's not even that bad. If you pray beforehand to Jeebus. Yeah, look at that giant hole right there. Did you make that hole? You living in there?
No, I think that's where you live because you're home.
Yeah, I live in that little hole sometimes. It's kind of crazy how that tree fell apart flat right there. Yeah. Oh, I got a stick in there. A stick stuck. Did you have fun? You all muddy yet? Oh, no, don't run into my bike. What are you doing? Sure you want to go that way or that way?
But this stick got stuck to my leggings and I had to stop.
Oh, you had a legging stick. That's crazy. Gonna go back that way or that way?
Which one's closer to the house?
Oh, that one's closer. Just more mud.
My bike's not closer.
Is that what?
4.
That's that 4%. And we're off to see the wizard. Yeah, I think I got 2 of those little bikes. One for her and one for my woman's youngest daughter. They're the same age as my daughter. So I got them both those same bikes. I don't know, I got that shit off Amazon for like 300 something or something like that. Just a decent starter bike. Because I mean, they barely even rode regular pedal bikes. Don't want to get them to something too crazy. But I definitely want to get my kids like electric dirt bikes, teach them how to ride dirt bikes, and get better e-bikes for them, for sure, if anybody wants to send me them. Oh, look at the poor teenager. Don't know how to ride a bike. Why are you putting your feet in the air? Oh no, she's scared. You can just ride right across that, you know. I said, you know, you can just ride right through that stuff. You went through there on your on a scooter?
Emma had to go through all that on a scooter.
Oh damn. Yeah, it's not a good idea parking there because this is an actual, that's a roadway. It's just not a roadway that's used anymore. It's Thomas Ave. It's got a name and everything.
I haven't dyed it for like 2 months.
Yeah, dude, I haven't dyed my hair in like 20 years maybe. Boy, girl, dude, you must be. Are you gender confused? Oh, you might be a tranny. We're gonna have to put you down. We're gonna have to put you down. Oh yeah. Oh, that looks like a cop car almost, but it's not. Oh, that sounds nice, whatever that is. Here she comes, going down the back road, yeah. Sport mode will work.
My shirt, buddy.
No, wait, what? Go in front. No, you have all that stuff protecting you on the bike. Everybody's cleaning up today. I have a bunch of quarters in my Jeep. Maybe I should get that clean. Oh, she moved out of the way. She's smarter than that. Oh, look at that smell. Somebody's burning something. What are they cooking? Or what are they burning? Might just be a burner barrel.
My mom told me I'm not allowed to dye my hair until I get my mental health better.
Dude, I found an Emma. I found an Emma. This random stranger has appeared. She just spawned in. A lost child has spawned in.
There's a bunch of 8th graders at the park and they're like, something about a red light, and there's a bunch of little kids playing at the park and one fell on her face and she fell off her scooter. She was a little bit headlong.
Somebody fell off their scooter.
Ask me if he saw you. No,
Ask him if he saw you.
you didn't take your phone. Oh, Jason, you need to fix it. Mine. Actually, I don't know. Is it on the right gear? My bike's not right.
I don't know. Do you have it on the right gear?
We found it.
Check your gear. What gear do you have it on?
I have a whole other general gear, but like my chain fell off. I don't know if it ever got fixed.
Can you pedal?
Kinda, but it's on the very last one. This was to me. Like this thing is on the very last one.
Try to ride with it like that and see what happens. See if it changes. I might have to adjust it. Did you? Yeah. Did you wreck it?
Yeah, look, there's Matthew.
All right, come over here.
My bike has 15.7 miles.
All right, let's get ahead of them. Keep riding. Keep going. Nice. I love moving quickly. This thing rips. Oh, well, they're catching up. A little bit slow, but they're getting there. Yeah, you ready to go over? All right, go this way. I'm just gonna leave this all on. Ugh. Yeah, it's her brother in a helmet.
Her hair dye $6. This butter's $6. Something else.
What the heck is that thing?
Butter.
Doesn't look like butter. Can you spread it on bread?
I have a question. Can I get this and this?
What? You can get two of them.
It was for like a peekaboo.
I don't care about your peekaboo. I'm a broke
Can I
boy.
get this cheap one?
No, I need more money. I'm poor. Poor white guy.
Chill.
Chill what?
Well, what's her name?
It's like the warmest day of the year so far. You guys are talking about chill.
Real.
What's wrong with you?
I'm taking my candy. Not that. Get the whole bag off. What are you doing? Dyeing my hair? Or no. Yeah, you want to.
I don't think you can dye your hair at the park.